tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. A fat dog. Again. A fat dog. Your turn to read, children. A big bed. Again. A big bed. Your turn to read, children. Big red hen. Again. Big red hen. Your turn to read, children. A big cat. Again. A big cat. Your turn to read, children. An old map. Again. An old map. Your turn to read, children. A red hat. Again. A red hat. Your turn to read, children. In the van. Again. In the van. Your turn to read, children. A hot pan. Again. A hot pan. Your turn to read, children. A wet mop. Again. A wet mop. Your turn to read, children. The big web. Again. The big web. Your turn to read, children. A sad kid. Again. A sad kid. Your turn to read, children. A fat pig. Again. A fat pig. Your turn to read, children. A red bus. Again. A red bus. Your turn to read, children. bat, and cap. Again, bat and cap. Your turn to read, children. Fox and box. Again, fox and box. Your turn to read, children. Bib, and toy. Again, bib, and toy. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. A fat dog. A big bed. Big red hen. A big cat. An old map. A red hat. In the van. A hot pan. A wet mop. The big web. A sad kid. A fat pig. A red bus. Bat and cap. Fox and box. Bib and toy. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.